Egg vending machines are specialized automated dispensers designed to provide fresh eggs to consumers. This egg vending machine has a refrigeration function, which can maintain a constant low temperature inside the machine and effectively keep eggs fresh. Accept various payment methods, including coins, bills, and digital payments, such as credit debit cards and mobile payment systems. This egg vending machine comes with a lift system that can effectively prevent break the eggs when they are purchased.